Alright, welcome back. In this video we are going to be carrying out some operations. Alright, we will sketch a wall here. We will fix in a wall here and sketch our arc through the traditional methods. So we're also going to do that at the back. Then we are going to introduce our parapets and our roofs, and they will also introduce railings. So very quickly, let us go to our top decking level, because that's where we'll sketch all our walls. So I come to my wall tool, pick on my wall architectural. Okay, I'm going to be using 115 mm wall stone face. Okay, let me use 150 mm wall wine. Okay, the bottom constraint is at top decking and the top constraint is at roof level, which is what we want. And then because let's fix up our wall here, and then let's also fix up our wall here. Okay, no, that wasn't what we wanted. Okay, good. So very quickly, I want to fix up the arc here. So I say edit profile, and then I say open view. Okay, then it takes me right down here. Then I run my offset 300 for my beam, and then 450 for the depth of the arc itself. I take my 3-point arc. Okay, so select this, I select this. Okay, no, sorry, I select this, and then of course I select this and delete them off, and then I trim/extend to corner, trim this off, and I finish. So let me look at that in 3D. Okay, so I have my arc right where I wanted it to be now. So I can match property. I can come down to my modify tab, click on match property, then I transfer the property of this right down to this. Okay, sorry. Okay, good. So I match the property of this to this, and I have what I'm looking for. Then very quickly I go back to my top decking. I do same for the back veranda. I say edit profile, and then I open that. Then very quickly I have 300 for the beam, and then I have 450 for the parapet supporting the beam. So I pick my 3-point arc, and then of course I proceed to do my trimming. Trim this. Okay, I'm very familiar with all of these steps. Then let me look at it in 3D. Okay, I go to the back side, and then of course I match property. I match this and I match it to this. Okay, it has been matched. Let's go back to our top decking, and then sorry, so let's go back to our 3D view again. You select it from here, go back to top decking, and then you flip it outside to reveal the stone face. So this is what we have. So very quickly, okay, this wall, okay, let me go back to top decking. This wall right here, the bottom, we have to align the base constraint to bottom decking. Okay, bottom decking. Okay, when you come back to 3D, you can see that the wall is okay now. Okay, so so very quickly we go back to top decking and insert our railings. Okay, we go back to top decking, come to architecture tab, and then of course we come to railings. Okay, we have to do them one by one. So we delete this off first, and then we say okay. Very quickly click on the next. Okay, we'll have in 3D. So for my windows, I'm going to use copy to clipboard to take them to the next, to the first floor. So I select this and I hold down my control key, and I come to select this and I say copy, and then paste, align to selected levels, top decking, and that's it. I have my windows on the next floor. So very quickly I do same here. I hold down my control key and then I say copy, align to selected levels, top decking. I say okay. Let's please take note of how this is being done. I can also do that for the door. Okay, I say copy, align to selected levels in order to have my door there. So very quickly I come to building floor. I need to place a door here, so I come to my architecture tab and then I come to door. Okay, so we have that door and I place it here. That's the staircase entrance. See that in 3D. Okay, so that's our door to go upstairs. And then of course I come to top decking and I want to place a staircase window here. So I take on window, and then I tap on edit type, duplicate, and I will give it a name, 300 by 1200. I say okay. I'm duplicating it in order for it not to change the type of the other windows, because I'm actually using one of the windows I've used before. But since I'm duplicating it, I can modify the dimensions without it affecting the other windows. So the height, I'm using 1, 2, and then the width, I'm using 300. I say okay. Okay, I can now place it here. So let us go to 3D and see how it looks like. So fine. So this is my staircase. This is my staircase. This is my staircase window. Okay. So very quickly, I can come to my bottom decking, sorry, my building floor, and I'll put windows in all of these places. So I don't want that. Let me click on my window drop down. I need window of 910 by 2100. So okay, 300 now. Okay, Act 1. Okay, I guess this is the one I want. Okay, fine. 1420. 1420. I'm going to copy that to the top. Okay, I think I'm also going to duplicate. This one too. So I click on it and I tap on this is my kitchen, and to get my kitchen window I'm also going to do a duplication. So because I'm using the instance of window from the room for the kitchen, but I'm going to duplicate it and edit it to a 900 to a 1002 by 900 window. So the rough height is supposed to be 900. It's supposed to be 900 also. Okay, it's supposed to be 900 by 900. Sorry, Ctrl Z. Supposed to be 900 by 900 window. Cancel, rename. Okay, yeah, that's true. Supposed to be 900 by 900 window. Then I'll say okay to that. Okay, now let's check what we have in our 3D. Okay, good. So that's what we are looking for. So this is 1460. Okay, so that's our kitchen window. So all we need to do is to select it and copy and paste to top decking. Okay, fine. So copy and paste to the top. So thank you very much for watching this video. In the next video, we'll proceed straight to introduce our parapet and roof.